Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, children. How are you all?
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am
I
fine.
am fine.
Very good. Cameras on, children. Good afternoon, Sarthak. Cameras on, bacha. Everyone, cameras on.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Children, cameras on, everyone.
Good afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta.
Ma'am, how are you?
I am good. How are you all?
Ma'am, I am also fine.
Good.
Ma'am.
Yes, beta. Yes, beta. Speak up.
Ma'am, tomorrow we have done wins.
Yesterday.
Sorry, yesterday.
Ma'am.
Yesterday, ma'am, we have done wins.
Yes.
Topic.
Yesterday on there's a mistake.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Now we have started from
Yes, beta.
number 2 and ma'am.
Ma'am, yesterday we have done till wells.
Ma'am, yes, we have done 12 wins. Now we have to start from humanity.
No, it is humidity. It is humidity.
Humidity.
Sarah, good afternoon, Sarah.
Ma'am, first we have to discuss on case study.
Ma'am, how are you feeling that we are meeting on Monday?
I feel good, but then I really want to meet you all physically in the physical class.
Yes, ma'am.
I really
Ma'am,
want to meet you all.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, I think we are going to meet because ma'am, I just asked ma'am. Actually, I live in Faridpur, so I just asked to transporter bhaiya like ma'am bhaiya, the any transport is available for Faridpur from 23rd. So he said yes. The bus number will be informed till Sunday.
Oh,
So
that's
ma'am, we
good.
will meet.
We'll be
And ma'am,
meeting.
we have arranged 10 students from our class.
Oh, that's really very good. I am looking forward
Ma'am.
to meeting you all. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, we just motivated all the
Ma'am,
students
I also want to come to.
are there who are
Ma'am,
who
but
have given the consent letter.
Excuse me, ma'am.
We, Nishu, ma'am, both.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, but from class 7C, only one parent has allowed.
And we're from 70.
Beta, see, I'll tell you one thing. Unless we don't get good number of consent, we will not be opening. But then I think every day 2 or 3 applications are coming for the consent, giving the consent that they are ready to send
Ma'am,
the child to.
Ma'am said that you and Nishu should make a motivating video for all.
Yes, that's
Ma'am,
really.
we just motivated all and ma'am only 4 students are coming and ma'am सिर्फ उसी की वजह से हम लोग करते रहे. We were just motivating and ma'am just convincing others, so that's why ma'am only 10 students have.
And
And my mother is also saying if 10 students are there, so I will allow you to also fulfill the consent letter.
And you know what? Someone has to take the initiative, no? So Kave will also come. Kave will also come.
Ma'am, I will come. Ma'am, I will come.
I will not come.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, bus will come to take us.
Beta, that
No, not at all places, ma'am, but from 1 September, it will come for all the places.
ma'am, is it sure that offline classes will be held?
Yes.
Yes, beta, depends on the consent.
If
of
there
the
will be
parents.
10.
Depends on the consent of the parents, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, first of all, I would like you to make this flowchart that we did yesterday. Yesterday we did it in a rough this thing, but today we'll do it in the fair notebooks, right? So
Ma'am, which flowchart?
I am telling you, get your geography notebooks, bacha.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, coming just a minute.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can
Ma'am,
I
yesterday I'm
take
not
them?
able to attend the class because ma'am, I'm not
Ma'am, we have to do
connecting. It is
today's
showing
work in
meeting
geography
password
notebook.
incorrect.
Ma'am, please wait, I am taking.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, today we have to, ma'am, do work in geography notebook.
Yes. Kaveh saying something? Kaveh, you're not audible, beta.
Ma'am, I'm not saying something.
I
Ma'am,
thought
I
you were
was talking to someone.
Okay. Who is that someone whom you are talking to, Mama? Okay. Fine.
Ma'am,
Yes, bacha.
Ma'am, taken the ma'am notebook.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Darshit,
there
such a
is a
smart boy, huh?
Ma'am, there is a misprint.
There is a misprint where, beta?
Ma'am, in the case study, cyclone area. Ma'am, area. Ma'am, it is thus a severe cyclone got area hit Bangladesh and India on 23rd May. Ma'am, it is given wrong.
Why?
Ma'am, I see ma'am yesterday in Google.
On which date it had hit?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
in August.
it was only formed on 25th May. Ma'am, so how it will hit 2 days before? Ma'am, and I even have the proof for it.
ठीक है where nature controls all of this. Okay, so
Yes.
so it's nature desire that it can do cyclone before
He is right.
even before
Okay.
forming the cyclone.
I can give you an example. If a baby borns after 2 days and before 2 days it came in the world and start bubbling. So
Is that a nature desire? Is that a nature one? No, no. Nature
Satvik
is
is,
the
I think,
cyclone,
right.
earthquake. See, so many supporters.
whatever.
Okay, Kaveh, fine. Let me take the.
I trust always on Wikipedia. What are you saying,
It is,
Kavya?
see, in the
We can discuss on
you
flowchart.
know, Sarah, in the physical classes, we'll be missing these, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am, because we don't have any combined.
We will not be having combined classes, so we'll be missing this a lot. Huh? Yes, Kaveh wants to say something.
Ma'am, no worries. Ma'am, we can enter other class.
Right. We can mix, we can sit together in one
Yes,
of the
ma'am.
classes,
Ma'am.
right?
So,
Yes. Chalo, fine. I'm sharing the flowchart with you all.
Ma'am, very easy flowchart.
Very simple it is. But then it will make you remember these winds and the types of winds and the subtypes which we have, the examples, right?
Okay, ma'am.
you will ask for our work.
Yes. What did you say?
Ma'am,
beta?
when you will ask for our geography work.
The day I'll start going to the school, no, I'll be asking,
yes, ma'am.
right?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
like when we meet, so ma'am, can you check our copies at that day?
I'll ask for the notebooks that time only, so that when I get time, I correct them.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, like,
those what like
ma'am, like other type of excitement we
Ma'am,
have.
excuse
Ma'am, we are attending many classes, but
Excuse
first time
me,
we are going to.
ma'am,
attend
please
his-
scroll up.
Yes. Beta, just a second.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, my notebook is finished, so I have to take my new notebook.
Ma'am,
Last time also you said the same thing.
ma'am, can you send this on group?
Ma'am, when?
Do it from here only, no? Can you do it from here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No,
Ma'am, we
ma'am.
can take a screenshot also.
Aram se you can take.
Ma'am, he's so.
He's very quick.
Ma'am, can we make with pencil?
You can make it with pencil. I to make it so that you can find the difference, that which part is for which particular type of wind, right? Okay.
Mom, I think if she is using mom the classmate ones, mom, that we get from the school. Mom,
Maybe.
because only the yes, mom, and mom, we have to use mom one-sided one.
I know.
Mom, sometimes like my study table got messy, and whenever my mother comes from her school, and she said, "Is this that table that I have seen in the morning?"
You should always tell her that because I take classes, no, that is why the
Yes.
books they keep on piling up. But then
Ma'am,
after
because
classes you can always keep them at correct places, right?
Ma'am, that is only the
sometimes I
excuse of
forget.
mine.
I
Ma'am,
know, I know.
sometimes I forget. Ma'am, actually, she came from ma'am her college at 4. Ma'am, and ma'am, she said that बेटा तुम्हारी तो अभी तो classes खत्म हो गई, so why don't you clean that?
Exactly.
I said, Mama, I just forgot that.
It is with everyone, It is not you that who gives this excuse. Even my kids also give me the same excuse. We are tired of taking classes, no? Now give us some time to breathe, then only we'll do it.
Ma'am, instead of my mother, my little sister shouts that Didi, please clean the bed.
Oh, really? She's so sweet. Huh?
Yes, ma'am. She always
my-
need everything clean.
That's
Ma'am, my
really-
little brother is of 9 months
Excuse-
only, and ma'am, what he did, ma'am, whenever I used to study, and ma'am, एक दिन मैं water पीने चली गई थी, and just I leave the copy on my mother's bed, and he was there, and what he did, he just ma'am उसने सारी copy फाड़ दी, and then I said, what is this, ma'am, that is a rough copy, ma'am.
That was okay.
Ma'am,
I know.
Because-
Small brother sisters
Ma'am,
always trouble, no?
yes, ma'am, always.
Ma'am,
These are-
listen, my
Bigger ones also.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, listen, my
Ma'am,
brother.
that's fine. Today I'm feeling very relaxed because my sister is with my mother at her school.
Okay.
Mama, sister is so big, then also she irritated me.
Ma'am, I said, Mama, इसको
Ma'am,
स्कूल ले जाओ, मम्मा इसको अपने कॉलेज ले जाओ. So मम्मा said,
Yes,
अरे
ma'am,
मैं
if
वहाँ
they
पे
are
बच्चों को पढ़ाने जाती हूँ या बाबू को खिलाने.
Chalo, okay, done. Everyone has done this flow chart.
Yes,
No,
ma'am,
No, ma'am, I
just
am
on the
making,
last.
ma'am.
Ma'am, just on the
Very,
last.
ma'am, slowly. Because, ma'am, if I make fast, so the flowchart will look bad.
Oh.
Doctor, can you please be quiet for 2 minutes?
Okay, nobody will talk now. Let Punitha write, no? Concentration.
Can you please tell that last word which you have written with yellow color?
Beta, cyclones and anticyclones.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Let me write it clearly.
Ma'am, it is written westerlies. The
Westerlies.
trade winds after
Westerlies.
westerlies.
Westerlies. LIES.
Ma'am, what is written also? Acha, okay.
Ma'am, what is written?
Yes, beta.
On the
Kaveh, you are not audible,
His
beta.
voice is something.
variable.
Variable winds, cyclones and anticyclones.
Ma'am, now can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Variable winds, they have cyclones. They generate cyclones and anticyclones, right?
Okay, ma'am.
I watched a show, ma'am. I don't remember, ma'am, and that it was showing how does a cyclone forms.
Ah,
Ma'am, natural, ma'am. It was natural.
Ma'am,
It was
ma'am,
showing. After that, he did it in
ma'am,
3D version, and it
ah.
was
ma'am,
explaining.
Yes,
ma'am.
beta. Yes, Punitha, please speak up, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Arshia is speaking. That is why.
Hmm.
Okay, ma'am. Now this third at the first planetary winds third arrow. The what is written? The
Periodic. After so planetary winds, they are also called as permanent winds. Then they are of each. They
the
are of
trade
each.
winds. The trade
Trade
winds.
winds, westerlies, and polar winds. Trade winds,
West
westerlies, polar winds.
west. Ma'am, WESTERLIES. This is
Ma'am,
the
done.
West, WESTERLIES.
okay, ma'am. I
Ma'am,
got
on
it.
local and climate and a Lu.
Local is Lu and Chinook. Chinook is
This
the
is
name
the
of a aircraft also, no?
Ma'am,
ma'am.
local Lu.
Please,
Aircraft. Ma'am,
Yes.
Chinook is a warm winter wind. Ma'am, right?
That is there, but then we have aircraft also named as Chinook.
Yes, ma'am. And then Chinook is called a warm winter wind.
हाँ.
Ma'am, actually, I have read this in
Ma'am,
one
छह
of
मो
the-
कौन देखो?
Ma'am, you know where? Ma'am, when we are like in the SST, when I'm reading the chapter,
हाँ. I was.
different. Ma'am, I was reading the chapter.
Yes.
Different types of winds. So,
Yes.
ma'am, that.
I know.
Ma'am, different types of sand dunes.
ma'am, this is as
Barkans
seasonal.
are there. Crescent
Yes.
shaped are there. Barkans are there, right?
Ma'am, please wait.
I am waiting, beta.
Ma'am, my done.
Ma'am,
That's
ma'am, that I have read in polar topic. Ma'am, can we color this?
Ma'am, how can we?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
done.
can we color this?
हाँ beta, you can use pencil colors. Except for red and green, you can use dark colors, right?
Ma'am, done.
Yes.
Ma'am, C.
Done? Okay.
That's
Let us start.
wait.
I have
Wait.
also done.
Waiting.
Ma'am,
Done.
please wait.
Oh,
Daksh has done, but we haven't.
fine. Agreed.
This is what low and
Yes, ma'am, done.
ma'am, wait for only 1 minute.
I'm done.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So done. Chaliye. Let us come to humidity, then condensation. Like yesterday.
Ma'am, I'm on table winds, please.
Ma'am, now second flow chart of human.
No. Now flowchart we will not do. We'll read the chapter now.
Ma'am, can you see it?
Yes, I can.
Ma'am, see.
I can see. Yes, I can see, beta. Good.
Ma'am, please tell what is written
Mhm.
in local winds first word.
Local winds, first word is Lu. L-O-O, Lu.
Ma'am, I have done now.
Ma'am, I have colored it like an Indian national flag. Yeah.
Okay.
Ma'am, and it is Chinook.
Yes, it is Chinook.
Ma'am, you have to color it also.
No. That is completely your wish. If you feel like you do it, otherwise it's okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, time not after color and send you the photo.
Ma'am, you can remove this. We have done.
Let us read now humidity. Now, what is humidity? Do you know?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, the pressure of air.
No, not
Ma'am,
the
the pressure.
pressure. Not the pressure,
Ma'am,
presence.
of
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
the amount of
excuse me,
water
ma'am.
vapor
the air
in the
is called
air.
Ma'am, the
Yes,
water
ma'am.
vapor present in the air is known as humidity.
Beta,
Ma'am,
moisture in
the
air. Moisture in
Ma'am,
air.
all are
the
Yes.
called
Moisture in air is called humidity. Okay,
humidity.
right?
Yes.
Like these days, because it is monsoon season, and when the light is not there and the AC is, suddenly switch off. After 5 minutes, you people start feeling sticky, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
stickiness,
Yes.
no, Hassan doesn't feel. That is really very good. Even I don't feel. Okay. See, my main thing, what I want to say is when you feel little hot when the fans are not on, right? In that case, you feel little sticky, and that stickiness that you have on your face, on your hands, on your legs, in your body, that is basically humidity, right? During the monsoon season, complete evaporation does not take place because as it is in the atmosphere, the amount of water is very high, right? Right? So because of this, you must have felt that in the month of May, June, it is not very sticky, but in the month of, July, August, your body
Yes,
feels
ma'am.
very sticky, right? Right?
Ma'am,
And
because of
because of the excess moisture that is present in the air. And moreover,
Yes,
you must
ma'am.
have experienced that you sweat a lot. You sweat a lot during these months.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
That's
because
really very good.
the western winds are
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, the western winds are flowing.
Yes. It is because, yes, Sky Sharma. Sky, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, 20 minutes late you are coming to the class. 20 minutes late. Why is it so, beta? Huh? Beta Sky Sharma.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I go to washroom?
Okay, go, beta, go.
Thank you, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Daksh.
Ma'am, can I tell the damage of cyclone Aila of 2009?
बेटा वो बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे, पहले ये चैप्टर को कंप्लीट कर दें हम, ठीक है?
Okay.
Okay, so moisture in the air is called humidity, and when we talk of when we talk of the measurement of the humidity, we measure it with hygrometer.
Ma'am, from where?
Hygrometer.
Hygrometer.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है?
It is hygo.
Hygro.
Ma'am, the instrument used to measure humidity.
Yes.
Yes.
Right? We measure it with with the help of a hygrometer, and when we express humidity, it is expressed as absolute and relative. ठीक है? Now, what is this absolute and what is this relative? Absolute matlab total amount of water vapor that gives volume to the air at the given temperature, and relative humidity is when the actual water vapor is divided by the saturated water vapors. Right?
Right, ma'am.
चलिए.
Yes,
Now, right? Fine. Now coming to the condensation part. What is this condensation? Do you know? See,
Ma'am, you have opened the title.
Yes, ma'am. Condensation.
what is condensation?
Ma'am,
Can you say?
when the water changes to water vapor is called condensation.
No. When water
when the
vapor,
Water changes to
From
ma'am,
liquid to solid.
water.
changes
when the
to
water-
water droplets.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See, when the water
Ma'am, like
when the water vapor changes into water droplets, then it is called as condensation, right?
Okay.
ma'am, like when we boil some milk and the water vapor comes out, then
Ma'am,
is the plate that we are holding.
हाँ.
Ma'am,
Yes,
the change in physical state of water from water vapor to water droplets is known
Yes.
as
is known as
condensation.
Ma'am,
condensation. Yes. In
ma'am,
very
this is
simple,
from science too.
in very simple, exactly. In very simple words, see, I always tell you कि जो subjects होते हैं, they are always related to each other, right? Especially in the junior classes. Okay. So when
Ma'am, like especially science and geography.
geography, exactly. Even in physics also, some of the terms of geography are used. Sorry, is
Ma'am,
used.
actually,
Ma'am, which terms?
Sciences. I will discuss that. We'll discuss. Don't worry. Now what
Ma'am,
is
we
this?
have done this full in science.
See, the capacity of the air to hold moisture depends upon the temperature. Agar temperature high hoga, when the temperature rises, the air expands and its capacity to hold moisture increases. And when the temperature decreases, it reduces the volume of the air. So the air loses the capacity of holding the moisture. I hope I am clear, right?
yes.
हाँ. आपने देखा होगा, देखो जब हम एक ग्लास ऑफ वाटर लेते हैं, उसमें अगर हम शुगर डालते हैं, ठीक है, शुगर के मिक्स होने की जो एक पर्टिकुलर कैपेसिटी होती है इन दी ग्लास ऑफ वाटर, ठीक है, और कुछ टाइम के बाद अगर आप शुगर ऐड करते जाओगे, ग्रैन्यूल्स ऐड करते जाओगे, इट विल नॉट डिसॉल्व इन इट. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि वाटर का वो सैचुरेशन लेवल आ गया है. हाँ,
Because the space between the water molecules has filled.
exactly. That is why, so we say that there is no more capacity in the water to dissolve the sugar crystals, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you know there are different forms of condensations? There are different form of condensation, do you know?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, there are different form of condensation. Now, when we talk of these different forms of condensation, we basically talk about the clouds. हमने देखा है किस तरीके से जब सनलाइट के द्वारा इवेपोरेशन होता है, सनलाइट के थ्रू इवेपोरेशन होता है, तो वो जो वाटर वेपर्स हैं वो ऊपर जाके क्लाउड कंडेंस होके क्लाउड्स का फॉर्म ले लेते हैं. देखा है ना हमने?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, fine. So सबसे पहला कंडेंसेशन का जो फॉर्म है that is clouds. Then we have the dew. आपने देखा होगा, आपको पता है ड्यू ड्रॉप्स क्या होते हैं?
Ma'am, I remember. Ma'am, when the glass. Ma'am,
Ma'am, it is said in Hindi O's.
हाँ, उसको हिंदी में हम ओस बोलते हैं या ड्यू ड्रॉप्स बोलते हैं बेटा. अभी आजकल के जो अभी
Ma'am, in winter mornings.
नहीं, अभी भी आजकल भी अभी ये जो टाइम पीरियड चल रहा है, इस टाइम पीरियड में क्योंकि मॉइस्चर कंटेंट बहुत ज्यादा है और रात में टेम्परेचर कंपैरेटिवली दिन के टेम्परेचर के कंपैरिजन में लेस होता है, थोड़ा कूल होता है, तो जब भी मॉइस्ट एयर जो है वो कूल सरफेस को टच करती है तो वो अपने आप वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स में जो है वो कन्वर्ट हो जाती है और उसको कहते हैं हम ड्यू. क्या कहते हैं?
Dew.
Ma'am, it is also called O's.
हाँ, उसको हिंदी में हम ओस बोलते हैं. ठीक है.
Yes.
चलिए, अब आपने एक चीज पढ़ा होगा, फ्रॉस्ट. फ्रिजेस वगैरह पे लिखा होता है ना, फ्रॉस्ट फ्री. फ्रिजेस पे लिखा होता है,
Yes, ma'am.
रेफ्रिजरेटर्स पे. ठीक है, तो ये फ्रॉस्ट का मतलब क्या होता है जानते हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, a very tiny type of ice.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, ये जो फ्रॉस्ट होती है,
Ma'am, it is formed when water vapor solidifies.
यस बेटा, ऐसा होता है जो वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स. आई विल टेल यू, लिसन, आई विल टेल यू. आपने देखा होगा जिन लोगों, अब आज के डेट में तो टेक्नोलॉजी बहुत डेवलप कर गई है, तो बहुत सारे फ्रिज जो हैं वो आपके फ्रॉस्ट फ्री आते हैं. मतलब कुछ फ्रिजेस होते हैं जो रेफ्रिजरेटर्स होते हैं, उनमें जो है ऊपर जो आपका जो आइस वाला सेक्शन होता है वो डिफरेंट होता है और जो सामान रखने का होता है वो अलग होता है, राइट? तो फ्रीजर, एग्जैक्टली, जो फ्रीजर वाला सेक्शन होता है उसमें आपने देखा होगा कभी जब आपने उसको सरफेस को, उसके अपर सरफेस को टच करा होगा तो कुछ हार्ड सा आपको फील हुआ होगा, दैट इज फ्रॉस्ट। सॉलिड आइस, ठीक है, सॉलिड
But we can
आइस।
flush that.
हाँ, we can flush that, but then that is actually the frost. ड्यू ड्रॉप और फ्रॉस्ट में सिर्फ ये डिफरेंस होता है बेटा, जो एयर में जो मॉइस्चर होता है जब वो बहुत ज्यादा कोल्ड एटमॉस्फेयर टेम्परेचर के कांटेक्ट में आती है तो वो हार्ड हो जाती है, राइट? राइट? हाँ, तो वो ड्यू जो है, वो जो ड्यू है वो अपने आप फ्रॉस्ट में चेंज हो जाती है इन दी कोल्डर एरियाज, जो ठंडे इलाके होते हैं, ठंडे प्रदेश होते हैं, हाँ, जो कोल्ड एरियाज होते हैं उन जगहों पे जो ड्यूज नहीं होती है उन जगह पे फ्रॉस्ट जमती है, ठीक है?
ओके मैम।
हाँ, बस आप ये समझ लो ड्यू ड्रॉप्स जो है वो प्लेन्स में मिलेंगे आपको, और जो फ्रॉस्ट है वो आपको हायर एल्टीट्यूड एरियाज जो कोल्डर प्लेसेस होती है वहां पे मिलेंगे।
माउंटेनियर एरिया।
हाँ, अब इतना क्लियर हो गया?
यस मैम।
अब एक फोर्थ टाइप ऑफ कंडेंसेशन जो होती है वो होता है फॉग। यू नो व्हाट इज फॉग?
यस मैम, कोहरा।
आपने देखा होगा, हाँ, कोहरा, एग्जैक्टली।
मैम इन विंटर्स, जनवरी में मोस्ट मंथ।
एग्जैक्टली, विंटर्स में क्या होता है बेटा? अब ये फॉग, देखो अब ये फॉग कैसे होता है, जो एयर में जो मॉइस्चर होता है ना, वाटर वेपर्स जो होते हैं वो जो है कंडेंस नहीं हो पाते हैं। जब वो कंडेंस नहीं हो पाते हैं तो वो जो लोअर लेयर्स ऑफ द एटमॉस्फेयर है उसी में जो है रुक के रह जाते हैं अबव द वाटर बॉडीज, तो वो आपको धुएं की तरह दिखते हैं, फॉग की तरह दिखते हैं, ठीक है?
यस मैम।
है ना? ऐसा लगता है जैसे स्मोक है, हाँ, ऐसा लगता है जैसे स्मोक है चारों तरफ, धुआं है सारी चारों तरफ, बट इट इज नॉट एक्चुअली स्मोक, इट इज द फॉग, राइट?
And ma'am, it smells a bit different.
It smells also different. You can feel that, you know, chilliness that it gives you.
Yes, ma'am. It is all side fog only, ma'am, in winters.
Exactly, and especially fog is
Yes,
very
ma'am, in
dense.
the
Beta, fog
most
is
in the
very
month of
dense.
January.
Yes, fog is very dense in those areas where we have more of greenery, where we have, you know, settlements, and where the pollution is more. There the fog is not very thick, but the dense and thick fog is generally found in the places where there is greenery and, you know, green vegetation cover, right, Hassan?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, light.
Ma'am, I'm just switching on my camera in 2 minutes.
Okay, now coming to this, I hope this condensation is clear and understood to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Now coming to the precipitation.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ,
Ma'am, my camera off because my network problem.
okay Hania, it is fine. Okay, what is precipitation? आपको पता है precipitation क्या होती है? Precipitation is a process through which water is converted into.
Precipitation is another word of rain.
Yes, falling of liquid or solid water such as rain, snow, or hail in the from the atmosphere due to condensation is called precipitation. ठीक है? Precipitation एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है जो कि जो हमारा जो लिक्विड ड्रॉपलेट्स होते हैं ना, वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स, उनको जब नीचे एटमॉस्फेयर में है वो गिराता है, फॉलिंग ऑफ द लिक्विड और द सॉलिड वाटर from the atmosphere due to condensation, it is called precipitation. I hope this is clear. Right? Right? अब जब हम precipitation की बात करते हैं तो precipitation जो होते हैं, again precipitation is of 4 types. कौन कौन सा होता है? Rainfall, ठीक है?
Rainfall, snow, sleet, and hail.
और
Hail,
Snow, sleet, and hail.
Snowfall,
sleet, hail,
hail,
snow,
ma'am, snow, hail, and frost.
नहीं, प्रेसिपिटेशन केवल रेनफॉल होती है, और रेनफॉल जो है वो ड्रिजल, हम कहते हैं ना, इट इज ड्रिजलिंग आउटसाइड।
मैम बूंदे टपकना,
बहुत हल्की बारिश जब होती है, रेनफॉल एक तो जब बहुत तेज बारिश होती है तो लोग बोलते हैं ना, इट इज रेनिंग कैट्स एंड डॉग्स, बहुत तेज बरस रहा है
Yes, ma'am.
कहते हैं ना.
Yes, ma'am.
और एक होता है it is drizzling. We say no, it is not raining very high, but it is drizzling outside. Drizzling means जब बहुत थोड़ी थोड़ी बूंदें पड़ती हैं, but we say it is, the water droplets are falling, but then we don't call it rain because it is not very high, right? But small droplets are falling on the surface
It
of the
doesn't affect us also. It
Ah.
doesn't make us wet also.
Exactly, it doesn't make any
No,
difference
if we will.
because the droplets are quite small in size, right? Very
Yes,
small.
ma'am. And ma'am, if we will stand over there for a long time, then
You can. See, whenever it drizzles, you can stand in that. But when it rains heavily, you cannot stand in that rain. Because the water droplets that fall, they are quite hard. They hit you very hard. Yes, they hit you very hard. Right? Okay. Now, this precipitation can be in the form of snowfall also, in the form of hail also. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? It can be in the form
Yes,
of
ma'am.
snowfall
Hail and snowfall.
and hail. Hail क्या होते हैं आपको पता है?
Ma'am, it's very hard. Ball type.
Ma'am,
Ball
hard.
shape.
बेटा
Ice.
snowfall
Frozen ice.
Ole.
frozen exactly hard. हाँ ओले जिसको हम बोलते हैं. Hail storms are basically
ओले.
that. ठीक है देखो rainfall takes
Small
place in
pieces
the
of
plains. हाँ rainfall takes
pieces
place
of
in the
snow.
plains. Snowfall takes place in the high altitude areas, and hailstorms generally occur when the air that is converting into droplets falling on the surface of the earth, and in between it collides with the very cold surface or very cold air, then it turns into hard hails, right?
Hard balls.
राइट
Yes,
ऊपर से देखो ऊपर से तो ड्रॉपलेट्स पे टपक रहा है, पर यहाँ पे एक कोल्ड एयर के कांटेक्ट में आया और फिर वो मोटा होके नीचे गिरने लगा. बस ये डिफरेंस होता है. गॉट इट? ऊपर से वो
It freezes.
it freezes.
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
When the water freezes, then it falls in the form of hail on the surface of the earth, right?
So ma'am, it do not becomes on cloud.
No. It does not fall from the cloud like that. When it
Ma'am,
comes back
when
to
they
cold-
fall, ma'am, when it is raining, ma'am, they meet very cold air in the middle of their way.
in the middle of the way, they do not
Ma'am,
fall
then
directly
they
from the
get
cloud.
hard.
Yes, Hassan.
Ma'am, I want to ask one question. That
Yes.
if it is said that if a hail drops on the head, we get
Hurt.
our all hairs get removed.
That I have never heard, beta. I have never heard this.
I'm like
have
it's so hard, ma'am. Like I watched the show, ma'am, which I told you yesterday, ma'am. In that, there was a hailfall type also, ma'am. He was driving his car, and ma'am, all the glass broke because of those hail.
Actually, these hails are very, hard. They are very solid, so it may hurt you. That is why generally it is advised not to stand when the hailstorms are there, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
The class is going to end any minute, right? So see you all next week, right, class?
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am, for teaching us.
God bless you all.
Bye, ma'am. Have a great day.
Same to you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta. Bye. God bless you all. And do read the chapter.
Tell.
Okay, ma'am.
मैम अगर एक सर पे मैम गंदे हो जाते हैं.